Why you're not getting stronger, even with perfect form. You train hard, lift with flawless form, and still feel stuck. Strength doesn't come only from perfect movement. It comes from what happens behind the movement. There's more to power than technique alone. Let's uncover the silent reasons your progress has stopped and how to finally break through your strength plateau. The illusion of perfect form. Perfect form looks great, but it doesn't guarantee progress. Many lifters spend years chasing flawless movement, yet forget about progressive challenges. Perfect technique helps prevent injury, but it won't make muscles grow if the weight, volume, or intensity never changes. Your body adapts quickly, so repeating the same motion with the same load won't build new strength. Form should be the foundation, not the final goal. Once control and safety are there, the next step is to challenge your limits. Real improvement comes from balance, using solid form while adding controlled intensity. Focus less on performing movements that look perfect and more on performing movements that progressively test your body. Progressive overload, the missing ingredient. The secret behind all strength gains is progressive overload. It means gradually increasing the challenge placed on your muscles. Without it, even the best workout becomes maintenance. You can overload by adding weight, increasing reps, reducing rest, or improving movement speed. The goal is to force your body to adapt to harder demands over time. Many lifters fail to track progress, leading to invisible plateaus. Progressive overload doesn't always mean lifting heavier. It means doing more than last time in some way. This consistent challenge signals your muscles and nervous system to grow stronger. Keep a simple training log and push yourself slightly beyond comfort each week. Small, steady increases done consistently are what separate progress from stagnation. How recovery shapes real strength. Strength doesn't grow during workouts, it grows during recovery. Training breaks muscle fibers, rest repairs them stronger. Without enough recovery time, your body stays in fatigue, slowing performance and progress. Proper recovery includes rest days, hydration, stretching, and active recovery. Ignoring recovery can lead to overtraining, joint pain, or mental burnout. Recovery also allows your nervous system to reset, improving coordination and energy for the next workout. Think of recovery as training support, not wasted time. The better you rest, the better you lift. Consistent recovery ensures your body stays balanced and ready to handle the increasing loads that come with true strength training. Nutrition and energy deficit problems. You can't build strength on an empty tank. Training hard without proper nutrition keeps your body in energy debt. Muscles need protein to repair, carbohydrates for fuel, and fats for hormone balance. Skipping meals or eating too little stops recovery and weakens performance. When calorie intake is too low, your body prioritizes survival, not muscle growth. Without enough nutrients, workouts feel heavier and progress slows. Strength gains come from fueling correctly, eating balanced meals at the right times. Hydration is equally vital. Even mild dehydration reduces muscle performance. Think of food as your building material. Every meal should support the strength you aim to create. The role of sleep and hormones in muscle growth. Sleep is one of the most underrated tools for strength development. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, a key driver of muscle repair and recovery. Skipping sleep limits this process, making you feel weak and unmotivated. Poor sleep raises cortisol, a stress hormone that breaks down muscle tissue. Quality sleep balances hormones, boosts testosterone, and improves focus during training. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night and follow a relaxing night routine. A rested mind helps your muscles perform better and recover faster. Strength isn't only about lifting, it's about giving your body the environment to grow. Real muscle growth happens during rest, not during reps. Training consistency versus program hopping. Many lifters lose progress because they keep changing programs too soon. Strength requires consistency. Jumping between workout styles resets adaptation, preventing long-term growth. Your body needs repeated exposure to the same movement patterns to build real power. A well-designed plan followed for several weeks allows measurable progress. Constantly chasing new routines leads to confusion, not gains. Stick with a program long enough to track improvement before making changes. Consistency doesn't mean boredom, it means commitment. Each training cycle builds on the last, creating a solid base for future progress. The longer you stay consistent, the stronger your results will be. Mental plateaus and lack of mind-muscle connection. Strength is as much mental as it is physical. Many hit a wall not because muscles fail, but because focus fades. The mind-muscle connection, feeling each muscle working, can transform results. Rushing reps or being distracted weakens this link. Building mental strength means training with intent, focusing on tension and control. Visualization and mindfulness improve performance by keeping you engaged in every rep. When motivation drops, small wins like adding one extra rep rebuilding confidence. Mental plateaus are normal. What matters is how you reset focus. A strong mindset leads to stronger lifts and faster progress. Building a smarter routine for long-term strength. Sustainable strength comes from a smart routine, not just harder workouts. A solid plan combines progressive overload, recovery, nutrition, and flexibility. It targets all major muscles while allowing proper rest. Tracking progress and adjusting intensity helps prevent plateaus. Avoid doing too much too soon. Injuries delay gains more than slow progress ever will. Include warm-ups, cool-downs, and mobility work to protect joints. Over months, these habits build lasting power and resilience. Strength isn't just lifting more, it's about training smarter every session. Consistency, patience, and planning turn short-term effort into long-term success. Before you leave the gym, remember, strength is earned, not rushed. Every rep, every meal, every night of rest adds up. Keep learning, stay consistent, and your progress will soon speak for itself. Strength isn't built overnight, it's crafted through smart training, recovery, and patience. Focus on progress, not perfection. If this video helped you understand why your gains have slowed, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone chasing the same goal. Stay consistent, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.